Production.
Yeah, did it for my hometown, MTL, let's get up, show 'em how it goes down. Crowd rocking at the Bell Center downtown. Awake at all hours, never feels like a ghost town. I told myself that I'd never come back around. On deck, look at my stats, hand me the triple crown, yeah. Head back to the path that I used to walk on. Memories are fresh, feeling like I never been on the past. Refreshing but painful at the same time. Working full time, dreaming only part time. But now I got it all and I haven't even hit my prime. Still a mountain up ahead, but I'm ready for the climb, yeah.
So that's my hometown, yeah. So that's my hometown, yeah. So that's my hometown,
Streets, sidewalk, trees, bird flocks that can feel so familiar. Faces change, but I imagine the same ones when I look in the mirror. Home where I came up, but I grew up, and I blew up cause I drew up all these goals and ambitions. But what were they really? Back when I lived so innocently, simplicities were all that I need. True happiness, I lived and breathed, eyes wide open, I was so free. In my own mind, now constricted, always on my grind. So conflicted, things are complicated, a little more complex, less intuitive, leaving me so perplexed. Damn, just a part of the circle that we call life with no strife. These rhymes would just be words I didn't write. We start off with a sense of inner peace, and we can only hope that we'll feel the same when we leave. Damn, and we can only hope that we'll feel the same when we leave.
so that's my hometown, yeah. So that's my hometown, yeah. So that's my hometown, yeah.
Montreal, stand up.